Hi children, today we will try to understand this concept. How can we disappear? How can we disappear? In olden days, the Rishis, we heard that they used to disappear. So my question here is it possible scientifically? According to science, is it possible to disappear? So let us try to understand this concept. How can we see an object? Let's first ask a question here. How can we see an object? To see an object, the light has to fall on an object. The light must fall on an object and that must be reflected. This reflected light must reach our eye. In order to see this object, the light must be reflected from the object and should reach our eye. Only then we can see an object. So let us assume if this light is passed through this object. If this light is passed through this object, do we able to see this object? The question here is, do we able to see this object? If light is passed through this object, we cannot see this object. So if light passes through an object, such an object is called as transparent object. What is this? This is nothing but transparent object. The object which allows light to pass through it is called as transparent object. So if light passes through the object does not, we cannot see that object. If light is not passed through the object, then such object is called as opaque object. All opaque objects are visible clearly, they are clearly visible. And there are some other type of objects are also, they are translucent. That means these translucent objects partially allow light to pass through them and partially they reflect light. So the best example of translucent object is you take a white paper and apply some oil to it. Then if you expose it to light, a part of light will be reflected back and a part of light will be passed through that oil applied paper. Such an object is called as translucent object. So the thing here is, if you want to watch an object, the light has to fall on it and it should reflect, and this reflected light has to reach our eye, and this light will pass through our eye lens and finally the image will be formed on the retina and we will be able to see this object. If light pass through this object, then the object is invisible. So that is the reason why the air is not visible, because light is passed through air. And the light is passed through air, the air is not visible to us, it is invisible to us. So here scientifically what they used to do is, all our body is made up of matter. Your matter consists of atoms. So according to de Broglie's theory, sometimes the matter behaves like wave, and the wave behavior of matter will be predominant when when that matter moves with high speed. That means this is our body, and if light falls on our body and reflects back, as this is opaque, that means it does not allow light to pass through inside. Therefore it is visible. Now if we have a full control over our body and if we could able to oscillate all the particles, all the atoms on our body with high frequencies, that means if they move, if they are oscillated with very high frequencies, obviously the light which falls on us will be passing through our body. So in such case our body is not visible. So this may be the reason, this might be the reason how they disappeared themselves. That means they have a full control over their body. The old monks and rishis, they have a full control over their body, and they are able to oscillate all the particles, all the matter that is present on their body with their desired frequencies, with their desired high speeds. Therefore, so that the light which falls on them is able to pass through the matter, is able to pass through their body, is able to pass through their skin, and that's how they are able to disappear. That's how they are able to become invisible. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you all.